Hello friends, in yesterday's lecture we have to see the types of conductors and types of cable. So now today we are going to start the new topic, star and delta connections. Star and delta connections. So in this star and delta connection, we have to see the basically how the structure like this wiring is star and delta structure working in the electrical phenomena. So now today we I firstly tell you about the delta connection. So delta connections, the structure is like a delta. So you will see the connections which we see in this figure. The connections is delta like structure. So this is A, B and C. So here is R, A, B. Here is R, A, C and R, B, C. Conductors can be situated here. In these star line connections, we get the structure. Delta line connections we have to structure in the form of delta. So in this structure we have to find out how can be the wirings can be work in this delta like structure. So this is the connections in this delta like structure. We have to see that the current flow from these wires from the delta connections will be in the form of opposite sides of current flow in these circuits. AB AB opposite RAC current flow in these circuits, and these three components currents across the RBC current will be in opposite direction form will be circulating in this circuit. So in this that is the in the form of this delta connections can be the neutral phase will be defined in delta. Firstly we have to start these connections in wiring. The first stage we have to define the neutral form. So secondly it can be used three-phase way in any electrical circuits. These connections we have to find out in the form of three ways. So this line voltage phenomena will be transmitted across this wiring. So that can be we have to get the voltage is phenomena from the line voltage form. So that the speeds of delta connections is very can be find out is very slow and that can be the the current can be flow from one side to another side in speeds of delta connections that speed is very high speed current flow. This transmission lines is delta speed connections will be very high speedily the current flow in that one session to another session. So delta connections is a phase connections is also is a line voltage form. High speed phenomena will be generated. Neutral form, thirdly line voltage form will be generated, and this is the transmission line required from the insulation of phase voltage. form will be generated in the insulation of phase form. So heavy in case of heavy phase will be occur. Heavy insulation will be formed. So that power distributions will be generated in the form of various types of transmission line. In generally, it is a typical form. Typically, form of that transmission lines will be occur in that delta connection. So it can be power transmitted. Typically, with power transmitted from one side to another, that of the opposite side, in the form of general. Typically it can be used for connections, used for transmissions. That will be the power distributions phenomena will be occur. So that will be the it can be used in the distributions of power for various types of industries and various types of the high voltage phenomena will be these important things. So secondly, we have to discuss about the star connections. So in these star connections, the structure is in this star-like structure. This will be the star delta connection. So single form we have to find out. Not each side can be connected to another side. These types of structure A, B, C. So for instance here I have repeated. So this is the star connection. So in this star like connections we have to that can be finding for starting to end point of current flowing. Start to end is defined in the form of similarly from the start to end current will be flow in that circuitry connection. So that will be connected, start to end will be connected together, not opposite side it will be connected. So here is a start end. So start to end, this will be the connected in the together. So this series will be connected in the together form in this star-like connection. So that will be the neutral point define करतो आणि that defining the neutral point, and it will be the star-like structure. So that is the system of that derived from the connections in the form of 3-phase, 4-phase form. We have to the connections will be derived in the form of 3-phase or 4-phase form we have to occur. So that is the line current is equal to the phase current phenomena. So it's with the line voltage will be formed in 3-phase level. So that can be phase will be occurred in total form of power. So the speed will be very slow as compared to delta connection. Slow speed we have to find in this star-like connection. That speed the node is first node is connected to last end. So when current flowing in this circuit, the required more time, not is a single. So start to end point we have to get the more and more time. So it will be that causes the speed will be very slow. So that will be the connections like star-like connections we have to here find out. The voltage is low voltage phenomena produces according to data of connections. low voltage phenomena will be produced in that series of connection. So that is low insulation power according to that of low insulation power will be produces, that causes the very slow speed, low voltage. So that causes the phenomena will be can be low insulations will be produces, and the phase of voltage will be, that causes the phase of voltage will be very slow. So power transmissions will be in star connection system in general and typical form. Power transmission we have to occur in general form. So in this way we have to explain this star and delta like connections. So thank you.